Hi friends, today I'm going to be trying out the ENMY acrylic marker set. This is their set of 80 acrylic markers. Thank you ENMY for sending them to me to try out. The swatching paper you receive is nice and thick too. And these are the stickers that come in the set. So far I have only stuck stickers on the first 40 markers. My hope is that when ENMY makes the next set of acrylic markers, they print the numbers on the markers, as the stickers can feel kind of tedious to put on, and they're already starting to come off. I am also very impressed with the range of colors. Each marker has a really nice brush point, and they all say remember to shake it before use. All the markers also have a small identifying sticker at the top. I haven't used acrylic markers before, so I was really impressed to see how well they worked on black paper, as well as how nicely they layered on top of each other. I was also really amazed at how quickly they dried and how easy it was to color one marker on top of the other. For today's coloring, I've decided to sketch out some vegetables. I wanted to do something kind of cute, so it's going to be sort of kawaii style. If you're looking to get this marker set, I'm going to put the link in my description below. The paper I am using today is quite thick, but I did practice on a sort of thinner regular paper and there was no bleeding. I was really impressed with that. One of my favorite things about these markers was the colors. There was so many colors to choose from, and they're all really vibrant and work well together. The brush tip performed really well. If you were going to do something really fine and detailed, I would probably work with maybe pencil crayon or a different kind of marker if you wanted something a little more detailed. But overall, I was really impressed. And now let's work on the broccoli. I've never had to draw broccoli before, so I think it turned out pretty well. The variety of greens that the markers have, I was really impressed with. And for this broccoli head, I probably had to use about 4 or 5 colors. The ink flow was really smooth, and if you made a mistake, you could always go back over it and cover up your mistake nicely. I think this little guy is turning out pretty good, but I'll probably come back to him and just do little touch-ups later. And now it's time to work on the red onion. I think this one was my favorite one to work on. And time to add the cute rosy pink cheeks. I thought that this drawing would need some cute little cherry tomatoes up in the corner. And this marker set has a lot of nice shades of red and oranges that were perfect for this. And the last vegetable that I'm going to color here is this really cute zucchini. Looks a little bit more like a pickle at the end, but I'm still quite happy with how it turned out. The performance of the ink flow is really great. I was very impressed. Everything always came out really nice and smooth. When you were coloring one color on top of the other, everything kind of dried nicely and worked nicely together. I was really blown away with the quality and ease of these markers and would totally recommend them. My only suggestion is that it comes in a smaller case that doesn't take up as much space on your table. And here it is, friends. And thanks again to ENMY for the acrylic markers. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Bye guys!